Inria is a French public research institution dedicated to applied mathematics and informatics. As a research institution, focusing on being the ones who are going to develop the rupture innovation. Being a fundamental research institution doesn't prevent us from being strongly involved in technology transfer. As a matter of fact, we, compared to other French institutions, we depend from the Ministry of Industry as well as the Ministry of Research. We must focus on technology transfer and have a long culture of startups. Well, despite being a research institution focusing on ICTs, 25% of our research teams are involved in the domains relating to life science and healthcare. We are very proud to be the European institution having the biggest number of ERC grants in the domain of informatics, but not only in this domain. We have currently 6 ERC grants in the domain of medical imaging, and we are hoping that we're going to have much more of those rewards for other domains like bioinformatics or systems biology, for instance. So regarding life science and healthcare, we're going to keep focusing on what we know, our know-how, which is modeling, still artificial intelligence, doing complex things, integrating all those things together, providing efficient interfaces in order to provide tools for the scientists, for the physicians, to integrate all this new data, make sure that all the developments we've been involved for many years in, for instance, the virtual physiological human, are going really to have an actual impact in the treatment. So it is important for us to be early involved in your ideas. We could start with pragmatic things like IMI projects, or whenever you face a lock, something that really needs fundamental research to be resolved. We are aiming at sitting at your side and finding together the solution. And for this, there's nothing better than giving ourselves time and getting involved in collaboration, long-term collaborations, starting with 3 years plans, for instance, even though we know that things change pretty quickly, that we need to adapt. But that would be really important to us to make sure that we stick to actual needs. Even though, as I mentioned in the beginning, that we are pretty proud of our success in terms of startups, when it's about innovation in the field of life science and healthcare, we do not have the experience. So it's very important for us to get support. Regarding healthcare and life science, we understand it's much more complex. So we need your guidance, and we need your long-term support as well. We need from the beginning to have your advice on the relevancy of what we offer, help us eventually modify our plans, and of course having your support, getting in touch with your funds if there are such. There is definitely a field in which we are willing to be strongly involved. That is the field of in silico trials or personalization of treatments. We've been developing techniques in systems biology, modelization of metabolism, or even on the larger scale organ models. We're actually working on a multi-scale level. We are able to model the influence of certain molecules on ionic channels and the direct effect, for instance, on AKG. Those techniques, we believe, can really bring new methods in the way you develop your drugs and personalize the treatments. And we would be very happy to contribute to this field, as I said, in silico trials and personalization.